Understanding the phrase, confide, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss that is not only interesting but also incredibly useful in everyday conversations. We're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, confide. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this phrase accurately in different contexts. The verb, confide, is used when someone shares their secrets, feelings, or private thoughts with another person, showing a high level of trust in them. When you confide in someone, it means you feel safe enough to open up to them and reveal parts of yourself that you might not show to everyone. For example, I need someone I can confide in about my problems at work. She confided in her best friend about her plans to move to a new city. Confide is commonly used with the prepositions in or to. 1. Confide in. This is used when referring to the person you are sharing your secrets or feelings with. 2. He found it easy to confide in his sister. 3. Confide to. This is less common but still correct. It is used in the same way as confide in. 4. She confided her deepest fears to her friend. In both cases, the person you are confiding in is expected to keep the information private. There are several phrases and words that are similar in meaning to confide. 1. Open up. To start talking more about your personal feelings and experiences. 2. It took him a while, but he finally opened up about his childhood. 3. Share. To tell someone about your thoughts, feelings, or experiences. 4. She shared her excitement about the new job with her family. 5. Reveal. To make something known that was previously secret or unknown. 6. He revealed his plans for the summer vacation during dinner. When using confide, be mindful of the following. 1. Do not use confide for casual information sharing. Confide implies a deep level of trust and is used for sharing personal or sensitive information. 2. Correct. She confided in me about her health issues. 3. Incorrect. He confided in me about the weather. 4. Be careful with the preposition. While both confide in and confide to are correct, confide in is more commonly used. That brings us to the end of our video on the phrase, confide. We hope that this explanation has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel confident using this phrase in your everyday English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to confide in us if you have any questions in the future. Until next time, happy learning!